In this discussion, we will talk about how to download the data from the Google Scholar to the EndNote. I am Dr. Zaid from Department of Political Science, Sarad Agriculture University, Rawalpindi, Pakistan. And for that, to download the data from the Google Scholar, I am opening the Google Scholar or scholar.google.com. And for that, I am interested here again in avian influenza virus, epidemiology. Here, these are some of the articles. Here, I can sort out the articles on the basis of relevance or by date, and here I can also customize the time duration or the time, then type of the article, and like that. Also, patents and citations. So here, on the basis of the relevance, at the top you can see an overview of the epidemiology of avian influenza virus published in Vaccine Journal in 2007 and have the citation of more than 1000. For example, if I want to download the reference of this article into my EndNote library, for that I have to click here on the side and a new window will open, and here I have to click on EndNote because I want to download into the EndNote. So here you can here you can see that the reference is downloaded and the file is opened into the EndNote. And if you have if you are facing any issue that your file is not directly opening up into the EndNote, for that you have to click on the download where the file is downloaded. You have to click on the download this file that is present into my downloads. I can open it, and opening of this file means it will directly import it into the EndNote. That is one way of searching the data from the Google Scholar and then downloading the references one by one. But here we don't have the option like the PubMed or the Science Direct that we can import the multiple references from the PubMed or Science Direct in one click. But here for the Google Scholar, we have to click the selected references one by one. There is another option. You can apply this method and can try this. There is another method for that. We have to save the references and make the new reading list or library. And reading list, I am saying here I want to done. Then I'm done with this. I'm saving it. For example, I want to create a new library of avian influenza. And okay, I want to save this into avian influenza library, then done, then save into avian influenza library, done, save into avian influenza library, done, here, save. In, so in this way, you can save multiple references into your library. For example, if I want to click on my library, here I will see different libraries. Here is a reading list, here is a avian influenza, and then other libraries. I am clicking on the avian influenza, and for that I want to export all the references which I have just included into my avian influenza library into the EndNote. And for that I have to click on the export, and from the export, then because here I'm using the EndNote as a reference manager instead of BibTeX or the RefMan or CSV file. I don't want to import those files. I want to import the file for the EndNote. So I have to click on the EndNote. I'm clicking it, and here you can see all those four references are downloaded into the uh, EndNote. Here it was a brief introduction related to how to download, related to the use of Google Scholar for the scientific search and how to import the data into EndNote from the Google Scholar. If you have any question, please let me know in the comments. I will try to answer it. Thank you.